Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to integrate PDF.co and AppGyver. You can see the link to full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We have here a sample PDF document, and we'll convert it into an XLS file. So, let's begin. First, log into your AppGyver account, and click on the Create New Project button. Next, click on the Data menu, and add Data Resource. Let's set up the REST API Direct Integration resource. First, enter your resource ID. Next, add the resource URL. Now, let's add the HTTP header. Enter content type for the first key, and label. And application/JSON for the value. For second key and label, type in XAPI key. And add your PDF.co API key for the value. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. After setting up the configuration, click on the Create Record tab. And open the Schema menu. Then select the Custom Schema. Now, let's add the properties. Type data for the key. And select object for value type. Next, type the property name. Let's add another schema properties, and type URL for the key. Then, select web URL for the value type. We will now test the record, and click on the Custom Object button. Let's fill out the data, and set async to false. Then input the direct URL of your source PDF file. And click on the Run Test button to see the result. Our test was successful. Kindly copy the URL and paste into your browser to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully converted into an XLS file. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.